A very good morning to all the viewers who are watching my video at the present moment. So this is Nyasis Party from the team of Miss Anais. So in this video I'll be discussing a very important topic, that is about Dadabhai Naoroji. Who is Dadabhai Naoroji? You might be learning, you might be studying about he is a freedom fighter who fought for India, right? वही आप समझ रहे हो ना कि ये क्या करता है, ये अपना जी जान लगाकर इंडिया को फ्रीडम लाया है। सो इसीलिए इसका नाम इस स्टेटमेंट के दौरान आपको यूपीएससी सिविल सर्विस एग्जामिनेशन में आएगा, ठीक है। सो इन दिस वीडियो आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट ए वेरी प्रोमिनेंट लीडर हु plays a very vital role in the freedom struggle, the Dadabhai Naoroji. So let us consider the following statement. So in this statement, what is given here? He was the member of Mumbai Municipal Corporation and Town Council. He founded the Indian Society and the West Indian Society in London. He was elected 5 times as the President of Indian National Congress, which is not the correct answer. None of the leaders has been elected 5 times as a president for the Indian National Congress or INC. So above 2 options, which is he has been the member of Mumbai Municipal Corporation and Town Hall, which is the right answer. Along with that, he founded the Indian Society and the East Indian Association in London. So these are the 2 main prominent answers for the above given statements. So why these are correct answers, I will be discussing in detail in the explanation part. So in this explanation part, it has been given that Dadabhai Naoroji for many years past been a member of municipal corporation. Okay, so he has been a prominent member for nearly many years. For many years he has been the founding members of the municipal corporation. Okay, so along with that, he founded the Indian Society and the East Indian Association in London, okay, which is also the right answer. But he has been elected as 3 times for the president of INC. He has been elected for 3 times. In which year? 1886, 1893, then after 1906. Okay, in this 3-year span, he has been elected as the president of INC. Okay, which you should have to know that. Then after, so let me make a clear understanding about the explanation part of Dadabhai Naoroji, who has played a very prominent role in the generation in the freedom struggle, and he also had a founding member of the municipal corporation and the town council. Okay, then after he has been a prominent leader in the Indian Society and the East India Association in Town Hall, but he has been elected 3 times as a president of INC. Okay, so only option 1 and 2 are the right option. Thank you for watching my video.